Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix content distribution with Buffer, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Buffer account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your social media profiles. Choose the profile you want to focus on for content distribution. Click on the Content tab at the top of the page. Here, you will see an overview of your scheduled posts. To add new content, click on the Create Post button. Select the social media platform where you want to share your content. In the posting box, enter your content, including links and images. Buffer allows you to customize your message for each platform. After composing your message, use the scheduling options to set a specific date and time. Consider the best times for your audience to maximize engagement. If you want to post immediately, select the Post Now option. Otherwise, confirm your scheduled time and click Schedule Post. To manage your scheduled posts, return to the Content tab. You can rearrange posts by dragging and dropping them in the queue. If you need to edit a post, click on the post and make your changes. To delete a post, choose the Delete option next to it. Utilize Buffer's analytics tools to track the performance of your posts. Analyze engagement metrics to assess what content resonates with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on these insights for improved distribution. For ongoing management, set reminders to review your content calendar regularly. Explore Buffer's integrated tools and features to enhance your distribution strategy. Stay flexible and be prepared to adapt your schedule as needed. This ensures your content reaches your audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.